Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and getting the core tools installed. Enable developer options and USB debugging so you can push APKs. This is required for some ports. Once done, allow installs from unknown sources for the launcher and the widget engine. Install an iOS-style launcher first, then the widget host APK. Make sure the files are from reputable ports and that you have 10-15 minutes free to complete the transfers and permissions prompts. Now configure the launcher and the widget host so they work together. Open the iOS-style launcher and create pages to match the iOS grid. This ensures widgets snap correctly. Launch the widget engine and grant overlay, storage, and accessibility permissions. They allow dynamic updates and interactions. Import the iOS widget packages or create custom widgets inside the host. Once imported, drag each widget from the host's picker onto the home screen and resize to match the iOS look and spacing. Finish by polishing layout and fixing common problems. Tweak the grid size, icon padding, and font scaling to match iOS spacing. This gives a natural appearance. If widgets don't load or update, restart the launcher and clear the widget host cache. This resolves most sync issues. If updates stop working, confirm accessibility and background permissions plus disable battery optimization for the host. If a widget still misbehaves, reinstall the host app and re-import the package. That usually fixes persistent corruption or.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.